What's up, YouTube? This is my 2011 Eastern Growler bike check. I just got this bike like probably almost a week ago. I've ridden it at the park a few times. Haven't done much on it yet because honestly I'm really not that great, just kind of getting into it again. So I think this bike's a pretty good buy so far. Like the color's great. Like it's just flat gray with blue rims, and it comes with a hub guard, which is pretty cool. Most bikes don't come with a hub guard, but I put my it didn't come with pegs, which was weird, but I put my old kink pegs on it, and they're doing alright. The thing I really like about this bike, like I said, was the color and the kind of frame. The frame is like the center tube. I don't really know what it's called, but where it says Growler is smaller than most because it's like a street frame. And you can lower the seat all the way down. It's not pivotal, which I'm going to buy a pivotal seat post soon, and probably a new stem, but it's got the new Eastern stock stem. It's got chromoly bars. It's 8.8 1/4 rise by 28 width, and it also has some pretty thick tires on it. I think they're like 2.35 Eastern tires, which are pretty nice. It's got the Eastern shaft cranks, new plastic pedals. Took the reflectors off of that, or my friend did, but it's all good. And overall, this bike is it's pretty nice. The back hub's pretty loud. It's kind of annoying at first. Hold up. But when you're riding it, doesn't sound that bad. And that's my 2011 Eastern Growler. If you have any comments or questions, just hit me up on my page or on this video and just subscribe. Thanks.